How do you use your Shein points? Now, to use your Shein points, you first need to have a Shein account, of course, and then the points earned from previous purchases or activities. Now, once you have points, you can redeem them during the checkout process on the Shein website or app to deduct up to 30% or 50% on some products that is available for using your points. So once you have created your Shein account, just head directly to the Me tab, and beside the Voucher tab, you should be able to see points. So if you tap on that, this is where you can check your balance. You can get more points by doing tasks, by checking in daily, logging in daily, and so on and so forth. So to use that as one of the payment method of your purchase, just simply add any items to your cart and then just head out straight to your checkout page. Now, once you're on your checkout page, you just need to set up your shipping or your delivery address first for you to be able to change your payment method. So as you can see, you should be able to see apply voucher, points, and gift card. So if you tap on points, this is where you can input on how much points you will be using to consume for that certain product. That's basically it. That's how you use your Shein points.